So I'll just brief you about Atal Incubation Center now. So AIC, we call it as Atal Incubation Center, which comes under Atal Innovation Mission, which is an program under Niti Aayog, Government of India. Earlier, if you remember, we had Planning Commission in India. So now Planning Commission has been renamed as Niti Aayog. So they take care of all kind of initiatives and policy planning on a macro basis, on a national basis. And Atal Innovation Mission is a program which comes under Niti Aayog. They have 5 such programs which encourages and evangelizes innovation and entrepreneurship in the Indian startup ecosystem. So one is Atal Incubation Centers, the other is Atal Tinkering Labs, which supports schools, and we have Atal Community Innovation Center, which supports rural-based innovations and social entrepreneurship, and we have Atal New India Challenge, which supports existing micro, small, and medium enterprises. So these are the major 4 programs. And Atal Incubation Center is the main one, which has been set up in technical universities like your college or our own institute. And also there are private groups which can kind of apply for this program and get the incubation center funding. So they set up an incubation center, and we are right now hosted in Pondicherry Technology University, earlier known as Pondicherry Engineering College. So each Atal Incubation Center, they have focus areas. Focus areas in the sense domains or sectors where we can support innovation. Right? So in likewise, AIC TechCurve is focusing on electronic design and manufacturing, where you can design electronic boards and electronic devices. You have a product idea of developing an electronic kind of an intelligent IoT product. This incubation center can support you. And when there are students who are having UAV, since you guys are probably might be from civil department, or there might be a mixed heterogeneous group of students who are here in this meeting, any mechanical or civil people who are having an idea of conducting survey through drones, or kind of doing crop study for agriculture using drones. You have an idea about that, but you don't know how to develop a product. So these kind of incubation center helps. So we are focusing on UAV, electronic design, and IoT. So any product idea or any innovative idea students or any startups who are established in the market are having, they can come and present it over here, and we select the right ideas and give them the necessary support where this financial risk can be reduced, competitor risk can be reduced, investments risk can be reduced, and reduce your manpower risk, kind of finding the right people to work for you. So these kind of support services as an incubation center we provide. So what are the value propositions? What is special that as an incubation center we hold, Pondicherry Engineering College? Say if one of a student from RMK, like from civil department, if you're having an idea of developing an new concrete technology which heals itself, we have a lot of new technologies coming in civil departments, right? Like kinetic roads. So any student or any faculty members for say have any idea, or having any patent which is already been filed, and you guys have been an inventor and now you want to become an innovator, we are ready to support that. So what are the value proposition we add? Say there are 2 students from 3rd year civil department, and you guys have an idea, but you don't have the technology support, right? You have you need to develop a circuit board, a PCB board, but you don't have the right team, or you don't have the laboratory facility. We provide that support. Like we provide internship. Once startup gets incubated here in the incubation center, we provide them the internship, the technical manpower to develop their product. The internship would be from academic institutes, students who are excelling in their own, domain of study. We provide that technical internship on free of cost for the students. Right? Basic technology firms, we need to invest a lot on manpower, right? So we need the right people to develop a code, to develop a product. So that financial risk is minimized. So you need not invest anything in your manpower. So that internship program will help you out. And we are right now the only technology incubation center existing in Pondicherry. There are a lot in Chennai, IIT Madras Research Park, and there are byIIC Chennai is having, Crescent in Chennai is having, and there are a lot of IIC cells like RMK, and they help nurture this innovation. But in Pondicherry, we are the first right now, and we support in technology transfer and prototyping. The last 2 images which you can see, we help you right from the design. You have an electronic product in hand, we help in designing the circuit, developing that into a PCB, and prototyping that, and having a small product in your hand for testing it. So the entire end-to-end support, right from ideation till piloting product, that can be done in an incubation center, and we are doing that as an incubation center in AIC Pondicherry Engineering College Foundation. So how this program works, so how students can apply and how we select students and how the entire incubation program works, right? So filtering is the first process which we do. Just give me a second. Right. So this is the first phase which we do for basically for student entrepreneurs or even for any startup per se, right?